السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to 15 parts of our lesson series from the book titled Arabic Language for Beginners. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. At-Ta'bir, Arabic expression. At-Ta'bir, Arabic expression. We are going to learn from this lesson some basic words in Arabic to be able to independently express ourselves in Arabic. Revision exercise. Al-Kalima, the word. Wadidduha and its opposites. Al-Kalima, the word. The word has been given. Wadidduha and its opposites. So we are expected to provide the opposites of the following words in Arabic. Wahid number 1. Irji, go back. Ma diddu irji. So diddu irji, irji'i. We can only use irji to command a single male person. But in the case of a single female person, we say irji'i. Irji'i, go back. Ithnan number 2. Ma diddu gadan. What is the opposite of gadan, tomorrow? Diddu gadan al-yawm. Diddu gadan al-yawm. The opposite of gadan is al-yawm, today. Gadan, tomorrow. Al-yawm, today. Thalatha number 3. Talib, male student. So ma diddu talib. Ma diddu, what is the opposite of talib? So diddu talib, taliba. Taliba, a female student. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. Or diddu talib, muallim, teacher. Diddu talib, muallim, teacher. Khamsa number 5. Arba'a number 4. Dhalika. Dhalika, that. So ma diddu dhalik. What is the opposite of dhalik? That. So diddu dhalik, hadha, this. Dhalika, that. Hadha, this is the opposite. Khamsa number 5. Tilka, that. Tilka, that. It is for a female person. It is used for a female person. Or it is used in reference to a female person. So tilka, okay, ma diddu tilka. What is the opposite of tilka? Diddu tilka. Diddu tilka is what? Hadhihi. Diddu tilka, hadhihi. Hadhihi for a female. And tilka is also for a female. Tilka, that. Pointing at a female person or a female object. Hadhihi, this. Hadhihi, this. Pointing at a female person or a female object. Sitta number 6. Haula'i. Haula'i, this, being the plural form of hadha. Haula'i. So ma diddu haula'i. What is the opposite of haula'i? So diddu haula'i, ulaika. Ulaika, those. Ulaika, those. Haula'i, this, the plural of hadha. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. So noun the mufrad and al-jamu. Al-mufrad singular, al-jamu plural. So the plural form of the words have been provided. So we are expected to provide the singular form. So ma mufradu ayyam. Ma mufrad. What is the singular form of ayyam? So mufradu ayyamin yawmun. Mufradu ayyamin yawmun. Mufradu ayyam. So the singular form of ayyam is yawmun, a day. Yawmun, one day. Ayyam, days. Ithnan number 2. Ma mufradu mudarrisun. Mudarrisun, teachers. Ma mufrad. What is the singular form of mudarrisun? So mufradu mudarrisun, mudarris. So mudarris is the singular form of mudarrisun. Thalatha number 3. Tullab, students, male students. Tullab. Ma mufradu tullab. Ma mufradu tullab. What is the singular form of tullab? So mufradu tullabin talib. Mufradu tullabin talib. The singular form of tullab is talib, a male student. أربعة. Number 4. زملاء. زملاء colleagues. زملاء classmates. زملاء age mates. Okay, ما مفرد الزملاء representing a group of male persons. So ما مفرد الزملاء. مفرد الزملاء زميل. زميل is the singular form. زميل. هو زميلي. He's my زميل, my colleague. هو زميلي, he's my classmate. هو زميلي, he's my age mate. ما مفرد كتب. ما مفرد كتب. What is the singular form of كتب? مفرد كتب كتاب. مفرد كتب كتاب. So مفرد كتب, the singular form of كتب is كتاب, a book. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Still talking about al-mufrad singular and al-jamu plural. Now the singular forms of the words have been provided. So we are going to provide the plural form. So ma jamu hadhihi. Ma jamu. What is the plural form of hadhihi? Jamu hadhihi haulai. Haulai is the plural of hadhihi. Ithnan. Number 2. Dhalika, that. Dhalika, that, which can only be used to point at a male person or a male object. You say dhalika rajulun, that is a man. Dhalika talibun, that is a student. Dhalika talibun. Dhalika kitabun, that is a book. Dhalika kitabun. Dhalika kursiyun. Dhalika kursiyun. Dhalika muallimun, that is a teacher. So ma jamu dhalika. Jamu dhalika is ulaika. Ulaika. The plural form of dhalika is ulaika. Thalatha. Number 3. Tilka. Tilka, that, which can only be used to point out a single female person or a female object. You say tilka talibatun, that is a female student. Or tilka bintun. Tilka bintun, that is a girl. Tilka sayyaratun, that is a car. Tilka sayyaratun, that is a car. So tilka, ma jamu tilka. Jamu tilka is ulaika. Ulaika is the plural form of tilka. The plural form of tilka and dhalika is ulaika. Just like the plural form of hadha and hadhihi is haulai. Arba. Number 4. Rajulun. Rajulun, man. So ma jamu rajul. Ma jamu rajul. What is the plural form of rajul? Jamu rajulin rijalun. Rijalun, men. Rajulun, one man. Rijalun, men. Khamsa. Number 5. Zamil. Zamil. Zamil, classmate. Zamil, age mate. Zamil, colleague. Okay, ma jamu zamil. What is the plural form of zamil? Jamu zamil, zumala. Zumala. Zamilun, mufrad. Zumala'u, plural. Jamu. Jamu, zumala. Sab'a. Number 7. Ma jamu miftah. Ma jamu miftah. What is the plural form of miftah? Key. Jamu miftah, mafatih. Jamu miftah, mafatih, keys. Mafatih, key, keys. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. Miftahun mufrad. Mafatihu. Mafatihu, keys, jamu. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.